Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. This is a new launch by Lakme and this is from the OG Iconic range. As you all might know, they've already have this Kajal mascara that's like an OG product that everybody has used in the past. So they have come out with this new launch, which is the eyeliner. So I'm going to be giving you my honest review, the application, every little detail about this eyeliner. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching, before which please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. Now let's get started. So before we begin, I would like to let you guys know the lipstick that I'm currently wearing. This is by the brand Maybelline and this is their Coffee Edition Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 270 Cocoa something, which I cannot pronounce. I'll leave the name right here. I've done a whole review on this particular range of lipsticks. If you're interested, you can go and watch that. Now let's continue with our actual video, which is the review about this eyeliner. So yeah, let's continue with that. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this beautiful outer box. This is how the outer box looks like. It has all the details, the MRP, the quantity and everything written on top of this box. It's a very beautiful black and blue, the usual iconic themed packaging, sort of colors and stuff. And the inner packaging is a quite nice tube. It's a very long tube. It's not like a short one, and the applicator is also pretty long, so it's very easy to hold. So I like the applicator. This is actually the swatch of the eyeliner. So this is how the applicator looks like. It's a very nice fine thin applicator that actually is very useful if you want to draw thin lines, thick lines. You can do whatever you want. And the applicator is a brush tip. It's flexible, which I actually prefer. I do not like this felt tip applicator, which I cannot use. I don't know how to draw a proper liner with this type of an the felt tip type of an applicator. So I prefer a brush tip, and they've given me that. So I'm very happy with the applicator. And this thing actually claims that it has unique flexi tip brush. It's very flexible and it's a brush tip. It's very thin and it's very nice. I'm pretty happy with that. And it says it lasts up to 24 hours, which I haven't tested for 24 hours. I've tested it for an entire day and it did last pretty well. It did not budge or anything, and it's smudge proof, which is completely true. Like you can see, it does not smudge at all. Once it's set and it's matte black. It's pretty pigmented and the finish is matte as well. It's not at all shiny. It's a very pretty matte finish. This is a swatch that I applied a little earlier in 3 to 4 hours earlier, and it does not smudge, like you can see, and it did not come off even when I put water on this, so which means that it is waterproof. So the quantity you get in here is 4.5 ml and the price is rupees 299, which is quite nice. And while I was applying it, I would also like to tell you how I felt when I applied it. It went on very nicely, very smooth and stuff, but I did had to dip back into my tube 2 to 3 times, I would say. I could not draw a proper full wing with just one dip. That is it's okay for me. I do not mind that. And the pigmentation was nice. It went on very well. It glided on very nicely and it did last very well. So I really love this eyeliner. I would 100% recommend this eyeliner. And yeah, that's pretty much my short review on this eyeliner, and we can go on to the application bit of it. And I would definitely say that it's a very good eyeliner. You can pick it up, you can see the application bit of it, and then we'll wrap up this video. So with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye-bye.